Hi friend, this is Dr. Apoorv Mehra and the topic for today is the one straight from the heart. Self-worth. Somehow when we enter a medical college or any good institute, we have a feeling that we start idolizing our seniors, teachers, professors. We actually idolize the aura around them. And very soon, the joy of clearing an entrance exam or clearing the board exam of 12th is replaced by clearing prof year by year or the entrance exam at the end of it. But over time, there is one thing that we lose. We lose to pat our back. We forget it. We just don't remind ourselves that we should appreciate ourselves. A man who can respect himself will be the one to earn respect. And till the time you don't understand this aspect, that gradually you are progressing. The rate of progress may be different for different individuals, but as long as you are progressing, you are going in the right direction. And this is important. If you are sure your direction is correct, don't be too much fearful about the speed. Are we really worried about that what will happen at the end of MBBS? We are worried about the next destination. But we know in a medical college, when we are entering, we are going to come out with a degree in our hand. And when you come out with this degree, you are already amongst the top 3% in the world. You are in that cream. And now, you are only trying to improve yourself, further improve yourself. First of all, learn to congratulate yourself for whatever you have traveled till now. And then remind yourself, you haven't traveled the whole path just to be here. यहाँ तक इसलिए तो ना आए कि यहीं रहेंगे. So, you have to go ahead. And one companion who will be there with you every day is you. And if you learn to appreciate yourself in the small things, self-worth, self-realization, trust me, you will have better results, because a positive mind can win any battle, and a negative mind with everything in his arm will get defeated. One advice I would like to give you is, it's good to appreciate yourself, but it's equally good that you stay true to yourself. One person with whom you can't lie is the person you see in the mirror. You, your own soul, your own self. You are actually knowing that how much you are working towards that one goal that you want to finish. And if in your eyes you see that you are not leaving any stone unturned, dear friends, you are going to climb the stage and grab all the medals. So, two things: stay true to yourself and do your best. And once you have done your best, learn to appreciate yourself on every single day. A single day made of 24 hours. If you learn to appreciate yourself throughout the day, trust me, even a small time can make big results. This is the strength of positivity. So, be positive and spread positivity. Remember, you have not come here to stop. You are the one who can conquer anything. Classical line, कौन कहता है आसमान में छेद नहीं होता, एक बार जमकर पत्थर उछाल कर तो देखो यारो. So everything is possible to a man who's determined with a positive feeling, is true to himself and gives his best. Thank you very much.